It's 9:44 right now. Let me break down the charts. Let me break down everything. So we have the new day gap and the old day gap, the new day gap and the new day gap. June 17th and new 16th, and June 17th was yesterday. That's the old day gap, and then today the 18th, which is the new day gap. And we got 12:30, 12 o'clock open session low right here, and then we got pre-New York session low right here. So we got these two equal lows that I was aiming for, not for a trade, but for price to deliver to, and price respectively delivered to these two equal lows. And on the 5-minute time frame, on the 15-minute time frame, we had Asia high right here. We had price respecting Asia high, dragging New York session at 7 to 9 o'clock, respecting Asia high. And on the 1 hour time frame, we had three candles. We had two candles that closed below the Asia high, as you can see on the 1 hour time frame. If you jump to the 5-minute time frame, it's a fair value gap SIBI right here. It's a fair value gap SIBI. Price is leaving the lower half open, as you can see. Price is leaving the top half open, which means that the market would be very bullish to aim for these lows right here. And I was already looking for these lows to get delivered to. Once I seen price kept leaving the 5-minute time frame SIBI top per half open and making the wicks do the damage, as you can see. That wasn't my trade, but that's just what I wanted to see. I wanted to see price leave this and this get delivered to. If we jump to the 5-minute time frame, we have pre-New York low, which is at 655 that price ran into, and we had New York low right here. So I was aiming for these two lows to get delivered to, while price respected the 5-minute SIBI. And these two inefficiencies got well delivered to. And then jump down to the 1-minute time frame. We had I'm gonna take these off the charts because we don't need these no more. We don't need this New York low anymore, and we also don't need the pre-New York low anymore. So I don't want too much shit on my chart. So we have the first business for value gap after 9:30, which formed at 9:32. This fair value gap right here at 9:32. This is the first present fair value gap of today, 0618. So right now, it looks like price is going up to take out this minor buy side right here. When price do take out this minor buy side, I would like it to get delivered to this minor buy side and this minor buy side on the 1-minute time frame. Jump to the 5-minute time frame. This SIBI for value gap is still valid, so I want to see price run through it to take out the 1-minute minor buy side and this minor buy side right here. It's 9:48. We almost in micro time at 9:50 to 10:10, and my bias for today was really supposed to be aiming for this London high at 5 o'clock, and then aiming for yesterday New York high, which is right here. But then I told myself I want to be bullish because I was looking for these lows to get delivered to, but price already did it at 9:30. When the market opened at 9:30, price rushed and delivered to this sell side inefficiency and this sell side inefficiency, the old day gap. But as you can see, the wick just did the damage and the body closed above the first present fair value gap. So price can still also come back down to take out these lows. If we go on ES took out the pre-New York low, took it out, and we still have yesterday Asia low right here. So, oh shit. So, I'm not picking any tops yet. I'm gonna see what I'm gonna see what I'm gonna aim for real quick. I mean, the mainly trend, it is bullish. Cage, move. Damn. So, okay. So price came back up into the 5 minute CB, as you can see, right? So let's see, does it it's not 51 is micro time right now. So let's see if it do respect the 5 minute CB to come back down to sweep these lows, right? To come to this low right here, Asia low, Asia low at the old week gap. Or let's see if it treats this 5 minute CB as an inversion for value gap, going to the upper side to take out this minor buy side, and coming into this 5 minute CB as well. This is a 5 minute CB, and I like price to come into it if price do treat this as an inversion. So right now we're gonna see what price do if it treat this like an inversion and give us an entry to go long, or respect the 5 minute for value gap to go short. But I might just want to be longs. I am not going to lie. Let's see how the 9:55 candle close. It's 9:52. We got 3 more minutes. Let's see how the 9:55 candle close. Okay, so take out this money buy side on a 1 minute time frame. Looks like it's aiming for this money buy side, and then it really looks like it's aiming for this 5 minute CB. Make it a little darker for you guys. Yeah, it's aiming for this 5 minute CB going into Monday first present for right gap, taking out this high, this London high, taking out this London high right here. And then hopefully it can take out this yesterday New York high, equal highs right here. We're going to 1 hour time frame. We also have this AM and PM high on the 16th. So if price can take out this yesterday New York high on the 17th, we're going to aim for this AM and PM high on Monday. Let's see how the 9:55 candle closes. Let's see if the 9:55 candle close below the 5 minute fair rate. Ooh. See, let's see if it closes under this 5 minute CB. Okay, so it failed to take out this high right here. looks like it's not gonna. It looked like it's gonna close below this 5-minute fair value gap. Yeah, so the market still might want to be bear. Okay, not okay, okay. So it still respected the 5-minute CB. It took out this minor buy side. The wick just did the damage, but it still closed below this 5-minute CB. It also respected the Asia high. It also respected the Asia high, closing below the Asia high, and they've been doing that since 7:45. All right, it's 9:55. Let's go on a 1-minute time frame now. Now we're gonna see if it treats this like an inversion. Okay, price might. Let me see. All right, low-key might want to be bullish on the low ski. Right now, I'm not pretty sure. Right now, I don't have a good A plus entry or A plus setup right now. All right, bearish, 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 bearish. It's 9:57. Short, short right here. We're gonna have a small stop loss, which gonna be 17. Aiming. First partial gonna be the first present for value gap. This low right here. Entry gonna be right here. Aim for this. And if this stops us out, we're only risking 16 pips. This is nothing. But if this really like would stop us out, we're gonna see what is it trying to give us. If it stops us out, then we're gonna know it wanna go long for longs. But let me see. Yeah, I really want to be short. I ain't gonna lie. I really want to be short because I know this is a 5-minute CB. So price would like. I know if price do wanna go long and take out this money buy side and this money buy side, I know it's gonna take time because it's a strong 5-minute CB right here that price has been respecting. You feel me? But it's 9:58. Let me see what ES doing real quick. ES still ain't take out this 5-minute this 15. We got this London high right here. All right, so ES still has to take out the ES still has to take out this London high, right? We got this London high on the on ES. These highs right here. So hold on. Wait a minute. No, I was still like short. I was still like short. I ain't gonna lie. I still want to be short. Ugh. It's 9:59. We're gonna see what the 10 o'clock candle do, man. The 10 o'clock candle gonna either stop us out or that we gonna rush to our take profit. Okay, it's 10 o'clock. Let me see where the other 1 hour candle closes at. Okay, see, 1, 2, 3. Close right. Yeah. I see bearish. I ain't gonna lie. If I'm wrong on the direction, it's straight, but I see bearish. I ain't gonna lie. For sure, for sure. For sure, for sure. So when this is where he get hit, we can aim for this low, which is gonna be 85, almost 100 pips. But first, we're gonna aim for this first present for value gap at these lows right here. Now price is treating this like an inversion for value gap, which gonna send price lower. Okay, yeah. Now, okay, I'm good now. I'm vibing now. Now I'm vibing for real. Okay. Yeah, now I'm vibing. Yeah, now I'm really vibing. I'm chilling. Now I'm good. I'm chilling. And after this trade right here play out, I'm off the motherfucking charts, nigga. Love how I left the 1 minute lower half, upper half open. It left. Let me delete this real quick so I can show you. See how I left the 1 minute CB fair value gap open, the upper half. Like I like that. Going to 5 minute time frame. I like how the wick took out this money buy side, failed to take out this money buy side, and they still respected the upper half of the 5 minute CB. I like how I did that, and yeah. 25 pips so far. My mentor RCT said when you up 25 pips, whatever, you just be out the trade. Be out the trade. But I really want to see it come into here. It's 10:02. It's 10:02 chat. 10:03 right now. Move this to the side real quick. It's a 5 minute fair value gap right here. Woo. It's almost gonna take me out. If it take out this high, then I'm grits. If it take out this high chat, I'm grits because the stop loss is right here. Okay, I'm grits. All right. I was up 30 pips though. Let me see. I was up by like 30. I was up 30 pips. I could have took my price. I could have took my little 30 pips. You feel me? But all right, it's straight. It's straight. It's straight. It's straight. It's straight. Straight. So price really okay. So it came down to this fair value gap right here. You feel me? It's 10:04. All right. Now I want to wait for a retracement. Now, before I do anything else, I like to wait for a retracement, chat. I like to wait for retracement. All right, 5 minute candle close. Okay, 5 minutes took out this fair value gap. Now it's gonna treat this like an inversion now. Now it might treat this like an inversion now, chat. Oh, and it's gonna treat the 1 minute as an inversion probably. It's 10:05. I'm not chasing price though, but I'm gonna put like a long position, a aggressive long position right here. This low, 30 pips. And go for the run. Right here. All right, now it's treating the 1 minute as an inversion fair value gap and the 5 minute time frame. It's treating this 1 minute as an inversion fair value gap. It's 10:06, and it's treating the 5 minute CB. I don't need this, don't worry. It's treating the 5 minute CB as an inversion fair value gap to go long, sticking out this. All right, took out this high. Now it's okay. Yeah, I want to see longs play out now. Told you if I get stopped out, I already know what direction the price want to go in. So now I want to see this 5 minute fair value gap get delivered to. And then I want to see this 15 London high get delivered to, and then the Monday first person fair value gap also. And then if price, depending how price come up here and play out, I want to see it come take out this 15-minute high right here, the 17th New York session high. You feel me? So yeah. And if that don't play out, I'm done for today. I'm gonna take a little L. You feel me? But this is my trade. I was wrong on direction. The price was not coming back down here. You feel me? So now it's gonna go up, take out the 5 minute CB, come into this 15 London high right here, come inside the first person fair value gap of Mondays. You feel me? And then probably come inside the come delivered into the yesterday New York session high. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. And if that don't play out, I'm done for today, man. And today was really fucking tricky, bro. Because before I started recording, it took me like 40 minutes to mark my key levels. Like, it was just tricky today. Like, today was low-key tricky. I ain't gonna lie. But we're gonna see this last trade play out. See? This what the fuck I was supposed to wait for, chat. It's straight, though. It's okay. It is okay. Okay, come inside the 5 minute. Right here. Alright, chat. Now we just wait. I ain't risked a lot. I ain't risked a little. If I lose this shit, I'm cool with my loss. Cause risk management is key. You gotta accept the risk first before you place any trade. You gotta accept the risk. If you don't accept the risk when you place a trade, you over leveraging, man. You over leveraging, and it's gonna cause FOMO. It's gonna cause fear. Cause a lot of shit. So you gotta accept the risk. When you go to the casino and you put your money on the Russian roulette, whatever that shit called, the Russian roulette. The money you put inside the Russian roulette, you don't care if you lose that shit, cause you're not going in there putting your whole pocket inside the Russian roulette all at once. You putting what you want to lose. So if you lose that shit, you barely give a fuck. You feel me? Same with this. You gotta risk what you want to lose. So when you do lose, it don't hurt you at all. You feel me? Like the first trade I took, that's 15 pips. You feel me? Lost by like $150, 200. You feel me? But this right here, if this play out though, I should make at least like 600, 700. But the 150 I lost, I should profit like 450, 500 for the day. But shit, 500 for the day, me sitting down on my computer doing nothing. You can't beat that. You cannot beat that. Okay, so price is inside the 5-minute CB. I already told you, man. Now I tell you guys, if I lose that first trade, I already know what I'm gonna do. I already know what I'm gonna look for. No cap. Look how price treated this like an inversion for value gap. And it treated the 5-minute like an inversion for value gap. Inversion for value gap. Inversion for value gap. You feel me? And that was my entry right here. Floating 33 pips right now so far. You feel me, kid? Yeah. I don't need this no more. This minor buy side, I don't need that. Price failed to come back to the first present for value gap. It failed to come back inside the first present for value gap. You feel me? Right now, it's trading inside the 5-minute CB. So I want you to treat this like an inversion. Shooting going up. You feel me? I don't know why my take profit is all the way right here. It really should be 50 pips, which is this high right here. This high right here. This is my take profit. But I'm aiming for this also though. 40 pips. So on 40 pips, shot. 40 pips. You feel me? At 50 pips, I'm done. I'm done. I'm gonna let some shit float. I might let a little thing float around these highs right here. You feel me? Cause when my shit get hit, when this get hit, I need only 70 more pips to let my trade run into right here. So I'm gonna take partial right here, then I'm gonna let the rest run into right here. And yeah, chat. That's how we fucking do it, man. You feel me? I gotta go take a shit, chat. Damn. I gotta go take a mean ass shit. Oh shit. My shit got hit. Hold that, chat. Hold that. My shit got hit. Let me see. Yup. Alright, that was 50 pips, chat. Like that. You feel me? And that's how you do it. And when I lost this trade right here at 957, 958, you feel me? I still entered dragging the micro time at 1005, 1006, right here. You feel me? Yeah, my shit. Yeah. I'm definitely Gucci. Alright, chat. I lost one trade. I won one trade. You feel me? I made what I lost, and I made triple that. So if you guys like this video, let me know. And I'm gonna talk to you guys tomorrow with God willing. Peace, man. Peace. Peace.